Welcome to my channel.
Google Pixel Fold tip to use Samsung-made displays. Inner screen may offer 1200 nits of peak brightness. Pixel Fold, the first foldable smartphone phone from Google, has been in the rumor mill for quite some time now. In a fresh update, a Chinese tipster has suggested the display and camera specifications of the handset. The Google Pixel Fold, codenamed Felix, is said to come equipped with dual displays manufactured by Samsung. The folding screen is tipped to support a resolution of 1,840 by 2208 pixels and could measure 123mm x 148mm. The inner display of Google Pixel Fold is claimed to offer a peak brightness of up to 1200 nits with an average brightness of 800 nits. Further, the smartphone could pack a triple rear camera setup comprising a Sony IMX787 primary sensor. Kuba Wojciechowski, at @ZA_Achka, in collaboration with 91 Mobiles, has leaked alleged specifications of Google Pixel Fold. As per the leak, the foldable phone codenamed Felix from Google will come equipped with Samsung's in-house displays. The inner folding screen is said to support 1840 by 2208 pixels resolution. The display could measure 123mm x 148mm, and is said to offer a maximum 1200 nits peak brightness, with an average brightness of 800 nits. The inside foldable display of Google Pixel Fold is expected to support a high refresh rate, and may go up to 120 Hz. The Google Pixel Fold is tipped to come with triple rear cameras led by Sony IMX787 primary sensor. The camera unit is also said to include an IMX386 ultra-wide lens and an S5K3J1 telephoto lens. The inner screen could feature an IMX355 sensor, while the outside display is said to sport an S5K3J1 telephoto selfie sensor. The Pixel Fold was reported to launch alongside the Pixel 6 series last year, but that didn't happen. As per a latest leak, the handset could debut sometime in Q1 of 2023. Google will reportedly start receiving panel shipments for the Pixel foldable phone in January. It is tipped to be manufactured by Foxconn in China. However, the Android maker has not yet confirmed any specifications of the Pixel Fold.